How to reset Messenger pin code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Messenger pin for encrypted messages. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From here, simply tap on settings at the top, and now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as privacy and safety. So simply tap on it. And now here, inside the privacy and safety, there you can see the option labeled as end-to-end encrypted chats. So just tap on it. And now here inside the encrypted chats menu, you can just tap on message storage, and now here you will see the option to reset pin. So just tap on it, and after that just follow the on-screen prompts and enter the new pin. And once you have entered it, confirm it by re-entering the same pin again, and that's it. Now your pin has been successfully reset. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.